Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials. In this video we are going to be learning how to add relationship status on Facebook. So let's get started. First, what you're going to be doing is simply head to your Facebook and from there to your profile. There you're going to be heading to your profile and simply click on this edit profile option. Scroll a little bit down and here you can see we have this option of relationship saying single. So simply click on that and you can simply edit all these details. When you do so, you'll be able to see that we have this option of relationship and you can simply change it to anything that you like. So that's how you can change relationship status on Facebook. So that's a pretty simple process. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.